Are you looking for info about Salt Lake City affordable home window install? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll discuss how to choose the right window installation for your home, ensuring you receive both quality and value. Affordable options are available, and we're here to guide you through the process. Let's discuss the top 3 mistakes to avoid when seeking affordable home window installs. Firstly, many people neglect to research their options. It's essential to compare prices and services to find the best fit for your needs. Secondly, failing to plan ahead can lead to unnecessary expenses. Always establish a timeline and budget. Unexpected costs can arise if you're not prepared, so set realistic expectations. Lastly, not hiring qualified professionals is a common error. Choose experienced contractors to ensure a smooth installation process. Their expertise pays off in the long run. To avoid these mistakes, take the time to research your options. Consult professionals who can help you make informed decisions. Understanding the scope of your project can save time and money. Don't underestimate the importance of planning ahead. Develop a clear timeline, align with contractors early, and ensure everyone is on the same page. Let's start with a big one. What are the average costs of window installs in Salt Lake City? Typically, you can expect competitive pricing, varying by window types and materials. Always request multiple estimates to find the best deal. Another common question is, how can I find reliable installers? Check local reviews and ask for recommendations from trusted sources. Finding experienced professionals is critical for project success. Lastly, what should I prepare before installation? Ensure your property is ready for work. Clear the area around the windows to allow for easier access and minimal disruption. Ready for your new windows? Call us now for a free quote at 385-300-0903 or visit saltlakecityhomewindows.com. We're excited to help you transform your living spaces with affordable solutions today.